Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI Pura 80 Pro, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into safe mode. So, to get started, we will need to turn off our device, so hold your power button and ignore any kind of AI voice that it shows up like this one. And when you have this page, select power off. The phone will turn off, and when it does, you then want to hold power button and volume up at the same time. After a brief moment of holding them, you should see the HUAWEI logo, and when you do, continue holding this and only let go when this logo disappears. Now this takes us to the recovery mode, and in here you just want to select safe mode at the very bottom, and this will now reboot the device and bring you to safe mode. Now in safe mode, only the pre-installed applications will function, so any app that you have installed yourself will be temporarily disabled and neither you nor the device can start it up. And this is obviously done for troubleshooting purposes. So there we go. You can see we have safe mode marking right here. Now widgets usually don't work in here as well, and it looks like HUAWEI actually hides the applications that don't work in this mode, as we do have empty spot here and here. I think there were some applications in here. Now once you're done with this mode and you want to go back to the normal one so you can use all the applications and actually see them, hold power button again ignore the AI voice and select restart. And you can see we're now back in the HarmonyOS. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.